It is Monday, and this is week, can you believe it? Week 12. Okay. Database and SQL. Had a tech brew. Talk a little more about admin. Talk about programming in PHP. And we talked about applications. So let's take a look. This will be a short video. We talked a little more about learning in terms of looking at examples beyond what you usually do, not doing work just to get it done, but to learn. Taking the time to go back over the work we're doing, looking for other resources and so forth. We talked about PHP, HTML, PHP server side, which means the PHP code is on the server. Does that make sense? Yeah, that should make sense. It's on the server. Okay. We also made note you can run Python inside of PHP. PHP works good with HTML, but Python would be more powerful to get certain things done. We use a get or a post. A get sends the information back, your PHP program. What we're doing, we're using PHP to gather the information we need, okay, and then send it. Actually, we're using PHP to use the information that we gathered. Does that make sense? It's going to use the information we gathered. We use HTML to send it to PHP, and we transfer the variables. Cannot see the code when we're doing the PHP. If you use a get, the passing of information is through a URL, so you will see it. Alright? Okay. Mozilla Development Network also has information dealing with this. Talk about HTML, and we can actually put PHP code right within HTML. In that code, we can access a database and use SQL commands. Oh, hopefully that makes sense. So if you think about it, you can have some application perform a query, or we can create a report. What we're going to use for reporting are views, preset SQL statements to put information into what appears to be a table but is easy to access. Create a view, give it a name, as, and then here's an example of using a select command. So all the queries we've done already, in most cases, then you can put them back into a view. So we're going to use this user that we created the last time to create our tech brew example. That make sense? Okay. We talked about tables and data in the tables. That is it for today.